In the world of flowers, they're one-sided or all around. Which one is this? All around, correct. See how easy this job is? The more I teach you, the more you're going to say, oh my God, this is so easy. We only have one-sided, which is like against a wall facing one way, or to be viewed all around. This is obviously an all-around design. You are looking good. I'm going to get more to finish your bottom. That's good. That's good back there. Very good back there. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got your fifth one right there. Perfect. That was really good. Igloo shape. Cindy, A+. Tuck your, push your roses up a little bit. Tilt them. They're kind of straight out. I want to see them more angled up, especially this one over here. This is nice. How'd you get a green hydrangea in your bunch? These got to go in a little bit. They're sticking out like sore thumbs. It's all about having it flush. Is it Zaid?
Zaid, yeah.
Check out Zaid's over here, Larry. Very nice. Smile for the camera. See, 500,000 people watch my YouTube videos. Anything you want to say to the rest of the world? Like the name of your new flower business? That's enough. He speaks in few words. A man of few words, but strong. Push, 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 push. Perfect. Good. No, that's good. You should leave about 2 or 3 leaves left on your hydrangeas and your onion. Let's see how this table over here is doing. Perfection. Perfection. Keep going. Feed it in. Great. Is that your 5, 5th? Yep. Tilt it up. Tilt the whole thing up. I want to see it. There it is. 5-pointed star. Very good. And this, you know, flowers have their own movement to it, so they're not necessarily going to be this perfect ball. Mine wasn't perfect today. So don't worry about it. But you want a nice dome shape. I call it the igloo.